Question number 1 is define resources. Answer to question number 1 is resources are any natural or human-made materials that can be used to satisfy human needs and are technologically accessible, economically viable, and culturally acceptable. Question number 2 is differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. Answer to question number 2 is renewable resources can be replenished naturally over time, like solar energy and wind energy, while non-renewable resources are finite and cannot be replenished once they are exhausted, like fossil fuels, minerals. Question number 3 is what are ubiquitous resources? Give an example. Answer to question number 3 is ubiquitous resources are resources that are found everywhere, such as air and sunlight. Question number 4 is what are localized resources? Give an example. Answer to question number 4 is localized resources are found only in certain places, like minerals deposit such as gold in South Africa. Question number 5 is why is resource planning essential in India? Answer to question number 5 is resource planning is essential in India to ensure the sustainable use of resources, avoid wastage, and address regional disparities in resource distribution. Question number 6 is define sustainable development. Answer to question number 6 is sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. Question number 7 is what is soil erosion and what are its main causes? Answer to question number 7 is soil erosion is the removal of the top layer of the soil due to wind, water or human activities. Main causes include deforestation, overgrazing and improper agricultural practices. Question number 8 is explain the term land degradation. Answer to question number 8 is land degradation is the process by which land loses its fertility and productivity due to factors like deforestation, overgrazing, mining and improper farming practices. Question number 9 is what is the importance of resource conservation? Answer to question number 9 is resource conservation is important to ensure that resources are available for future generations, maintain ecological balance, and prevent resource depletion. Question number 10 is name any two methods of soil conservation. Answer to question number 10 is two methods of soil conservation are contour plowing and terrace farming. Question number 11 is what is contour plowing? Answer to question number 11 is contour plowing is the practice of plowing along the contours of a slope to reduce soil erosion and water runoff. Question number 12 is what is terrace farming? Answer to question number 12 is terrace farming involves creating stepped levels on a hillside to reduce soil erosion and increase water retention. Question number 13 is mention any two types of soil found in India. Answer to question number 13 is two types of soil found in India are alluvial soil and black soil. Question number 14 is what is resource planning? Answer to question number 14 is resource planning is a systematic development and management of resources to ensure their optimal use and sustainability. Question number 15 is why it is important to use resources efficiently. Answer to question number 15 is efficient use of resources ensures their sustainability, reduces environmental impact, and helps in economic development. Question number 16 is what are human-made resources? Give an example. Answer to question number 16 is human-made resources are materials that have been created or altered by human efforts such as buildings, machinery and technology. Question number 17 is what is biotic resource? Give an example. Answer to question number 17 is biotic resources are obtained from living organisms such as forests animals and marine life. Question number 18 is, what is a biotic resource? Give an example. Answer to question number 18 is, a biotic resources are non-living components of the environment such as minerals, water and air. Question number 19 is, explain the term resource development. Answer to question number 19 is, resource development is the process of utilizing resources for economic growth, improving quality of life and sustaining future needs. Question number 20 is, name any two resources that are unevenly distributed in India. Answer to question number 20 is, two unevenly distributed resources in India are water and minerals. Question number 21 is, how does deforestation lead to land degradation? Answer to question number 21 is, deforestation removes the protective cover of trees, leading to soil erosion, loss of soil fertility and land degradation. Question number 22 is, what are the three stages of resource planning in India? Answer to question number 22 is, the three stages are identification and inventory of resources, evolving a planning structure with appropriate technology, and matching resources development plans with national development plans. Question number 23 is, define the term stock in the context of resources. Answer to question number 23 is, stock refers to materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs but are not being used due to lack of technology. Question number 24 is, what is the importance of forest resources? Answer to question number 24 is, forest resources are important for maintaining ecological balance, providing raw materials, supporting biodiversity, and regulating the climate. Question number 25 is, what are mineral resources? Give an example. Answer to question number 25 is, mineral resources are naturally occurring substances found in Earth's crust such as iron ore, coal and bauxite. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.